Okay then guys, it's Christmas Eve, 5:30, and my curing little project's done. This is my Christmas pastrami. It's a piece of topside, which if you've been following my videos, you can see it's just nicely cured in the middle there, nicely pink. It's all very tender, and I've done some thick slices because we're having it hot with a bit of a salad and sauerkraut that I've made at home. And I'm going to save that bit. I wish I'd done two actually, because we've eaten most of it. But that's looking very, very nice. Okay, and I've got a bit of a jus that I'm going to serve with it. So the cooking juices will go in a bowl. It'll get served with it. But you can see that is really nice meat. It's all very tender. You can dip it straight into the jus as well, just for a bit of extra juiciness. But there you go. So Christmas pastrami project completed and about to be eaten on Christmas Eve. So happy Christmas to everyone. It's my last video before Christmas Day.